Hi children. So today we are going to discuss about the lesson money. Fourth lesson money. So what is money used for? To buy any product, to buy anything. So everything when we want from the market we have to pay this money and we have to buy. So in India the money is in form of rupees. In the form of rupees. In different countries we have different kinds of currency. The money is also called as currency, the way we call it as currency. In India we will call it as rupees. So in America dollars. In the same way in different countries we have different kinds of currency. So in India we have rupees. For suppose take this ball, the ball cost is 50 rupees. See here you can see the symbol before 50. This symbol is called as rupee symbol. This symbol is called as rupee symbol. So the cost of this ball is 50 rupees. Next, bat cost is 150 rupees. Bottle cost is 50 rupees. Next, colors cost is 20 rupees. Birthday cap 5 rupees. So each thing have different kinds of cost in form of rupees. So in this lesson we have in money we have two types. One is rupees, the next one is pies. So rupees symbol is this one. Rupees symbol is this one. Pies means P. Pies means P. So in money how to differentiate rupees from pies? For example, so this is the money given. So how to call this one? 25.5. What is the symbol? Rupees symbol. So 25.5 rupees. In this rupees we can observe the point. We can observe this point. So before point we have what, which number? 25. So this 25 is called as rupees. After point we have what? 5. This after point numbers are called as pies. So this is the way how to differentiate rupees from pies. So before point is rupees, after point numbers are pies. So here money we have rupees and pies, and rupees are pies are differentiated with the point. So clear? So now we have the operations of money. Before that we can see this notes money. So here what are these? Coins. So what type of coins we have? 50 pice coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin. These are the coins. Coming to notes. So see this one. 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note, and the bigger note is 2000 rupee note. So these are the coins and these are the notes, rupee notes. So in this we have the operations of money. What kind of operations we can do in money? We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. So first of all we'll learn how to do the addition of money. How to do the addition of. See here, first one is addition. Addition of money. How to do the addition of money? Let us see now. So here, what is the first number? 235.15 rupees plus 143.24 rupees. So how to do addition? First of all, we have to arrange these numbers in the place values for addition. So for that, first of all we have to write the place values. So before point already have make you to learn, no? So how to write the point? Before point we have to start with the place value, ones, tens, hundreds. So after point we have to start with tenths. No ones will be there. Tenths, hundreds. Next here, ones, tens, hundreds. After point, tenths, hundreds. So according to the place value, place this value in the addition format. Ones, tens, hundreds. After point, tenths, hundreds. So according to the place values, place these values here. 5, 3, 2. Point, tenths, 1, 5. Plus, next here what is there? 143. 3, 4, 1. See here, ones place 3, tens place 4, hundreds place 1. Point, tenths place 2, hundredths place 4. Now add these both. 5 plus 4. 5 keep in mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 here. Next 1 plus 2. 1 keep in mind. Take 2 fingers. 1 after. 2, 3. Write 3. Next point is there. Point. 5 plus 3. 5 keep in mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. Next tens. 3 plus 4. 3 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Next 2 plus 1. 2 keep in mind. Take 1 finger. 2 after. 3. So answer is 378.39. So what is the symbol we have to write here? Rupees. So this symbol is very important. So we should not forget to write these symbols, either rupees or pies. So here 378.39 rupees is the answer.